Alright, it's a cool Saturday morning. I bet it's 50 degrees out there. That's awesome. I think what I'm going to do today is I got to get a vehicle on the lift in here. So I think I'm going to have to button up this side on the other side. That doesn't make much sense, does it? This side on the other side. What the heck? You can tell I didn't go to college. I need to put this stuff together, get this corner buttoned up at least, and get the wheels on it. I'd kind of like to get the body centered exactly right as soon as I get that on there. Anyway, I can do all day at it. I'm going to try to finish up this corner, get this piece welded back in, which is right there. And I don't know if Miss Heavy Chevy's going to come out or not. She may, but if she does, she needs to take that headliner out, and we'll go from there. Piles of rusty metal under there. Alright, enough chit chat. I better get crack-a-lackin', as Chevaholic would say. You know, I was thinking about something this week. By the way, I'm on TikTok, Mr. Heavy Chevy on TikTok. Anyway, I was watching some TikTok videos, and there was this truck driver, a bunch of people. They say, the old heads, this and that, and let me tell you something about the old heads. I know this one old head where I work. He's a dang good lowboy driver, and he's probably a better mechanic than, well, he is a better mechanic than some of the mechanics I have in the shop. And if I need a clutch in a truck, I'll park the lowboy and have him do it. You know, you need to learn something from them old heads. You can always learn from them old heads. Those guys had to do it back in the day. I don't think you have to too much anymore, and most folks don't want to. You know, speaking of old heads, I don't want to say too much, but there's one guy I know, he's 80 years old. He's a surveyor. He comes into work every day, every morning. And he does little projects, keeps his mind sharp. You know, there'll never be another guy like that where he can do all the math on a piece of wood with a pencil and lay things out. Now you gotta have computers and all that stuff. There's another old head I know, 74 years old, comes in 3 days a week because on the other few days he's on dialysis. It comes in, runs a dozer, runs equipment. He could drive a truck if he still had a CDL. Those guys, man, pay attention to them old heads. Alright, here's what I've been doing. Been hard at it. I done welded in some of this and some of that. And when I was welding this, I discovered some Bondo that was in there. I had a rust hole, so I made a piece for that. This is reconstructed. I still got to cut the old brazed in patch out. I'm trying to keep my shape here before I cut everything out. It would have been easier to buy patch panels, but I don't have them, and I ain't got time to order them, and so I'm going for it. Anyway, this hones my skills, right? I know this is how y'all feel watching all this rust repair. It's getting boring. You just want to take a nap, right? Right? Alright, I'm still working at it. I gotta make that piece now. I've done filled in all this and welded it up and ground it down somewhat. I gotta keep crack-a-lacking. Alright, I've had to stop. Gotta go rescue the girls. They took off in one of my old trucks, the blue one, 4x4, and the transmission puked. So now I gotta go out and do some work, which means I need to unload this. Rescue mission. I'm having to tow it backwards. Alright, that took about 3 hours of time. My cousin, the transmission guru, didn't guru that transmission too good. It spit out the front seal. What the heck? Anyway, it's back at his house for a little warranty work. And now I can get back to this. Alright. That corner is all put back together, except I got to weld in that piece, which that's an easy one to make. This side I don't think turned out quite as nice as the other side, which is strange because I did that side first. But anyway, we're gonna have to put a little Bondo in it, but that's alright. Now the only thing I got left to do is weld that piece in yet. I gotta make this patch, which isn't too hard on a brake. That's the rustiness I cut out of it. And what else? Put the door back on. And you know, I'm getting real close now, ain't I? Real close. Really, to complete the car, all I gotta do is put the engine and transmission in it, finish some assembly on the engine. Gotta put the balancer on it and put push rods in it and make sure those are the right pre-length and everything. Gotta get the headliner out of it. I thought Mrs. Heavy Chevy's gonna do it today, but it didn't work out. And what else? I can't remember. I think I got a little patching to do. Right here, yeah, a few little things. Put the interior in it, put the AC in it. Finish the steering column so it shifts. I think I might put that shifter what's right up there. And it sure be a whole lot easier. But it's going to have a bench seat, so I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'm going to shut up now. I'll have to come back tomorrow and make some more video. We didn't get much today. I had a big distraction. You know, I leveraged myself and paid somebody to do a transmission, and then I had to go rescue it after it drove 5 miles and take it back where I got it from. You know, but sometimes those things happen. Sometimes. Oh, in case you're wondering, my car endeavors are not over for the evening. I gotta go put some gas in that Mustang, and somebody may be purchasing it tomorrow, so that would be good. That would be good.